Welcome back to Fister Farms, everybody. Today we're back to combining beans. I went to school for 3 days and now it's Saturday, the 11th, I guess. 10th or 11th, I don't know. I'll have to check that in a second. I don't have my phone on me right now. I just got the camera, that's it. But we're unloading the combine right now. I'll go up there. There's your image of what's coming out of the combine. I think it's a pretty clean bean. But I've missed like 4 days of harvest, so this is my second day. So I think we're only gonna do I don't know how many days we're gonna be at harvesting yet. But some of the stems are left longer because there's chunks of dirt in this field, so that's what we've got to do sometimes. These beans are doing really well. I think they turned out really good for the year that we had. We kind of ran out of water. There should be a bean in my hand right there. Ah, it fell out. Get you guys another one. Tractor handles the grain cart pretty well. The grain cart by far was the best purchase we have ever made. That thing is awesome. It's a good, yeah, it's soybean I said I would get. Right there. So soybean looks like. I'm just firing up the combine right now. Okay, in the last video, if you remember or haven't watched the last video, you probably should go do it. And before we get too far into the video, you should probably hit the subscribe button so then you guys know when we're harvesting. But right now, it takes a long time to get a full load of beans on a combine. So, there is 2 wagons on there. I don't know if we're going to use the wagons or not. I'm going to put this in B1. And it's got 1 dump in it. I don't know exactly how many bushels can fit in this cart. But with 1 dump in it, it's got 180-ish. Combine wasn't quite plumb full. But I like to go slow with the grain cart. There's a lot of weight there. There's still a lot of weight there anyway. But we slowed down the reel on the head. It's not, like on the first video, it was going way too fast. We slowed that down, and then we spent half the morning figuring out what was the auger wouldn't turn on it. Because this one has an electric auger thing where it automatically shuts it off and puts it away. The other one, you pull a thing down and it tensions the belt, I think, and that's how the other one works. Well, we found it. We're looking for an operator's manual or something with a diagram in it for that. We're just gonna keep at this. We have this field here and then that field over there, which equals out to about 40 acres of beans we gotta do. I don't know if we're gonna fill them gravity boxes or not. I'll probably have to talk to him. Right here seems good. I'll put it in park. You don't really use the air conditioning that much in September on a tractor, but we did today. So, oh, there's a flapper madoodle open on that combine. I should probably go shut it. Just saw it flapping around on the camera. But the grain cart is way better than the other one. This one, it's got a door that closes. The other one's been cut and messed with, so it doesn't close. So last year, all I did was slip a slip clutch, because that one's got an auger that comes all the way up front, and then another one that brings it back. This one's got a gearbox, and then 1 auger. A lot more efficient and a lot nicer than the other one, I think. And this one's bigger, so This tractor handles it fine. We're looking for a bigger tractor, maybe if we ever get a bigger cart, maybe, I don't know. This tractor has been around the block a time or two. If you watch the other videos, it's got 14,000 hours on it, so that's kind of how this went. So we're just combining away here. That head that has green on it is newer than the combine, I think that's how it went, because it went green then, and that's how it went. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching all this stuff work, because it is pretty neat how all the things work in a combine. You can hear it. I can hear it at least. He missed one stalk of beans right there. Fire him. Nah. Yeah, pay really close attention when you're combining beans. That'll happen every once in a while. Drops it up and and that thing was down in the last video. It's supposed to be up. We put it down when we did the oats so it wouldn't hang on it. Kind of how that happened. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your video. I'm probably gonna see you again soon, or maybe I'll see you guys again tomorrow and I'll just make this a 2-day video. I don't know, but we gotta go back and work on some stuff, and well, see you guys in a few. truck. It's awesome. And a little bit too close to the truck. See you guys in a few. Shooting you guys out right now. Right now we're opening up our cornfield. Ta-da! At the end of a day of harvesting soybeans, you get to go play with corn. So, he's out back there. The drone is right there. Should be able to see the light. Yeah, that's the drone right there. It ain't too far away. But this is what we got right here that we will be using tomorrow. That's open. That's the corn crib. I'll go over there later. But see, here's our issue. We were looking for a 2-row 30-inch new idea picker, and what we have right now is a 2-row 38-inch picker. And the issue with this is when your rows are too wide, it's not gonna do it right. So what we're gonna do is just pick one row at a time. Try that. We can probably leave it folded in. I'll have to talk to my dad and uncles about that, because it really isn't going to run over that row of corn at all. And it probably would be easier on a person driving it. I don't know, we might just widen it out and have it widened out. But the other Gleaner M3 is out there, and cue the drone basically. And then when we're done with the drone, you guys are going to come back to me and I'll talk for a little bit more. Hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. I almost hit a tree, but we did put a bunch of new lumber inside of this corn crib and put some new concrete screws and anchors on it. Buttoned it up nice so we can put corn in here, and well, that's all the old junk, and we put new stuff in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.